Today we are going to review the Anker power enclosure for M.2 SSD. So this is the box. Let's get into it. Before we open it, don't forget to smash that like button. Here it is, the package, so let's open it up. Actually, before we open this, let me show you. I work in IT, so this is my collection of the SSDs. So we're looking for this. Let's put it here and place this on the side. Let's open it up. And this is what's in the box. The enclosure itself, it's pretty nice. It's aluminum. We have some sort of pouch, like carrying bag. We have the cable. This is Type-C to Type-C. This is for the enclosure, and this goes to the computer, or now the iPhone 15 and 16. And inside we have USB Type-A for the laptop or for the computers. Let's put it on the side. What else is inside? The screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and some screws. So let's open it up. Here on the back, this is the front, we have USB Type-C and LED. This is the back. We have a switch. We just pull it and this will pop up. And this is the inside. So on the screen I will put the specs about this enclosure and what type of SSDs can fit here. So let me see. We have SSD like this with one notch here, and we have SSDs with two notches like this one. So let's place this one. I think this is like 500 gigabyte or doesn't matter, so let's try it. I also have this because I was planning to build a PC for myself, but I stuck with Mac, so maybe in the future. Let's slide it here gently. And that's how easy to set it. Now let's secure it with one screw over here. This all should be the same, so let's pick the first one. Don't do it too much tight, because still this is a PCB board, so just a little bit. And here it is inside. There's nothing, it's only the shell. We have some specs here, so let's close it. You cannot do it reverse because only this way is sliding in, and that's how easy it is to put it together. It's pretty nice design and looks solid. So this is the braided cable. I've tested it on iPhone and it's pretty fast. You can record like 4K footage directly onto this if you want. So let's plug it to the computer and let's see how it's behaving and the speed as well. So let's test the speed on Windows now. While we are waiting for the numbers, I leave a link in the description below, and if you want to pick one of those, feel free and let me know in the comments if this was useful for you. And one more time, smash that like button, I really appreciate it. So over here we are approaching almost 1000 megabytes per second. Let's see a couple of more tests, but also for the write speed should be similar, maybe a little bit down, but in that range. So I will speed up this process and I will show you the final results. See you guys in the next video.